Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you the poem The Rebel. This is the second poem of your book Honeycomb. This poem is written by DJ Enright. In this poem, the poet talks about a rebel. Who is rebel? हिंदी में rebel को विद्रोही भी बोला जाता है. So in this poem, the poet talks about rebel. A rebel is a person who always disagree with others. He likes to do just the opposite of what everyone else does. So let us read the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. Because rebel is a person who does always opposite of others. He wants to keep himself different from the others. So when it is the fashion of short hair, he wants to keep his hair long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody keeps long hair, at that time he likes short hair and he cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, when it is the time that you can discuss during the lesson, at that time the rebel doesn't say a word. He sits quietly at that time because he wants to keep himself different. Always he disagrees with the others. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When it is time that all have to do silent reading, at that time he creates disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When it is necessary for everybody that they have to come in uniform, at that time rebel wears fantastic clothes, colorful clothes. He tries to come in colorful clothes. When everybody wears fantastic cloth, the rebel dresses soberly. When everybody is allowed to come in colorful dress, at that time he comes in uniform. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. When everybody praises about the dogs, they put good words for the dog, that we have to keep the dog because they guard our house and they keep us safe also. At that time he say the good word for the cats. Cats are better. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. And if the everybody is praising cats, at that time he puts good words for the dogs. Dogs are very important. This all shows that he wants to keep himself different from the others. He always disagrees with the others. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. If everybody is praising the sun, the sun is very important, it is very useful for us, at that time he said no, rain is also important. He remarks on the need of rain कि अभी बारिश होती तो अच्छा होता. When everybody is greeting the rain, when everybody is enjoying rain, welcoming the rain, and when he enjoying the rain, at that time the rebel regrets the absence of sun. At that time he says that कि sun होता तो अच्छा होता. So at this way he shows his that he does not agree with the others. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When it is time that everybody can go out to meet the people, at that time he wants to stay at home to read the book. कभी मम्मी लोग पार्टी में जा रही हो तो बच्चे बोलते हैं कि नहीं मुझे तो घर में रह के पढ़ना है. So at that time he wants to stay at home. When everybody stays at home and reads the book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When it is time to stay at home and read the book, at that time he wants to go out. This is the time of corona and everybody has to stay at home. At that time some people, they want to go away. So always the rebel is a person who always disagrees with the others. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says yes please or thoda chahiye, then he says no thank you, it is sufficient. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. When everybody says ki no thank you, it is no, we don't want any, then he said yes please, some more I want. So it is very good that we have rebel, that it is very good in the society that we have rebel, because sometimes rebels have the guts to go against the wrong things. They points out our they point out our mistakes. If something is wrong in the society, they have the guts and courage to go against the society, to go against the world. They raise voice of protest in the society. So it is also sometimes it is good to have rebel, but you may not find it very good to be one. लेकिन हमेशा किसी को oppose करना, that is not a good thing. So it is not good for that person who is a rebel, because generally people or society don't like that person who always disagree with them. So at that time, because this world is full of lovely people, and if we can enjoy this world only if we will walk with the other people. So if he is always a person goes against the people, if he again always disagrees with the people, then people generally don't like that person, and he will be live all alone in this beautiful world, and nobody wants to become friends with him. So it is good for the society sometime that we have rebels, because rebels raise voice of protest in the society, and they points out our mistake. They have the guts to go against the world, but it is not good for every time, because generally people don't like that person, and he will be all alone in this beautiful world. So student, this is all in this poem. So question answer you will get through PDF, and if you have any problem you can ask. Okay, then thank you for the watching video. Have a nice day.